Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to share some behind the scenes of how I run my skincare business from home, just some of my day-to-day process behind the scenes, doing what I do, making my products, selling my products online. So hopefully you enjoy this process that I show you. It's not always an easy road, but I wanted to share that with you. So let's jump right in. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos, and I sell my products on my website, and I also have some online formulating courses as well. I'll have everything linked in the description box, so let's jump right in. So my day usually starts around 5:30 or 6 in the morning, and I get started by making something hot to drink. I love making or drinking tea, hot tea. So once I'm done, I move over to my work area and I set up for the day. So usually I'll just set up my little table, and then I will get my laptop and check my emails, messages. I usually get a lot of messages, so I just check. I respond to the messages that are urgent, if it's work related or business related. So that's what I'm going to do. So I check that. I'm getting ready to package some products that I made 2 days ago, so I'm going to do that next. And I have 3 packages to ship out, so I'm going to get all that done and flip over the camera. You're not going to see me again until I take the packages to go drop it off at my post office. But so let me show my face, and I'm going to package up these products. I made a green tea face wash, and I made a golden toner that I sell online, that's with turmeric and ashwagandha. So I'm going to do that next. So I got ready to film some content for social media, TikTok, Instagram, and then I'm also setting up some boxes so I can ship out these packages that I have. So I'll say one thing that I find very exhausting is maybe doing everything the same day. So if you're making your products or packaging your products, having to ship your products, then also having to post content, market, especially if you're a one-man show. So it can be very exhausting. And then add YouTube content creation. I get so many messages about mentorship, and unfortunately I cannot help everyone, so I just do my best to share as much as I know on YouTube and in my videos. So anyways, I am done packaging these orders. I'm going to get ready to fix lunch. So I got ready to eat my first meal of the day. It wasn't what I cooked. It was actually gourmet burgers that my husband had bought. It was the holiday, so everyone was being bad with their diet. But this was my first meal of the day, and I think that's one thing I'm guilty of. Sometimes I'm just working, hustling, trying to do everything, and sometimes I forget to eat until late in the day. So don't do what I do. But after everything, I took a break, and the next day I went off and I dropped off my packages at my local post office. So this was the day after my post office run. I had some products I had to make, as well as some orders that came in that I had to ship off. So I'm just making some products. I think what helps me is just setting aside certain days to formulate and make certain skincare products and film content that I need for YouTube and social media, because it honestly can get overwhelming, at least in my experience. Some days I've been overwhelmed where I didn't even want to do anything. I just shut everything down and I just did not do anything. So I never like to get like that, but of course you want to take breaks, but you don't want to overwhelm yourself. So I just kept packaging this product. So I usually make small batch products. I don't make a whole lot at one time because I don't like my products sitting down on shelves. I just like to make them and sell them as quickly as possible. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm just going to keep packaging, and then I'm going to package up my orders that I need to drop off at the post office. One thing I'll say is my favorite thing to do as a business owner is packaging orders, because I know for me, I'm a very picky person. Before I spend my money or my coins, I'm very particular. So for someone to take out their hard-earned money and purchase from my business, it's not something I take for granted. So even on days where I'm hard on myself and I'm like, oh, I need more orders or more sales, I'm thankful for the ones that have purchased from me, that have left reviews. So it's something I will never take for granted. So if you're one of those people, thank you. I'm very grateful. So same thing, I just finished packaging up my orders and then I'll drop it off at the post office. I usually don't do more than 2 post office drop-offs in a week. I'm trying to keep it down to just 1, honestly, but this week it was 2 days I had to go to the post office. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to drop off my packages, and then I'll be done with my orders for the week. And that's pretty much it. I had to stop for gas on the way to the post office because I was almost out of gas, so I stopped at my local Kroger to buy some gas. Anyway, so I'm trying something new. I'm trying to vlog more in 2023 and I am struggling. That's why I just stay behind the cameras, guys. Anyways, I'm going to get some gas and then I'm going to drop off my packages here that I showed you guys earlier, and then I will get started with the rest of my day. So once I was done dropping off my packages, I headed on home. I did stop at my local Kroger one last time to get some water, and then I was done for the day. Technically, because I still have to post on social media, but I was done product wise. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You enjoyed the behind the scenes. If you have questions, if you're a business owner, you have questions, just drop them in the comments. But as always, thanks so much for your love, your support. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to do so and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.